ki nong hikai jong ka Saint Vianney High Secondary School ki balias ngau bet rengkat badi father bangan don nga seni berkecing kublai kalong ya pi kham tam ki khna ki badan hang ne menta kanu kecing itenat kecing songsit habayo I ya pi kumni sisa akan mau biang ye ki por ki badang ret balai kane ka por kam da dei ka por bangen le kai sport ndrei na do ka por tungi ru ka dei hakine ki banai hi bang ye le kai sport te bon bhagi khna ki akan London le am kan lan pedang kumpi wow thapti the closing ceremony of your sports. I know many of you have taken part in various activities. What I have witnessed today, it is a beautiful march past. I can't believe that I am here in Mauhati. I get confused between Mauhati and Maulasnai. So Mauhati, it is so beautiful, so disciplined, so good really. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being able to give me a chance once again to witness this beautiful march past. So also are the drills, especially the young kids. It's so beautiful. And all the songs, we should give credit to the teachers who prepared all the beautiful drills, the juniors as well as the seniors who stand here just now, what Shakira and all those beautiful songs you done so well. It is so beautiful when we look from far. I don't know you that you perform, whether you're satisfied or not, but it's truly, truly beautiful. In sports, whether we win or we lost is immaterial. It is that you took part. That is very, very important. Why schools do for a very short time, they encourage to have such physical activities because in sports, we develop strength. Those people who work so hard that none of you fainted during the course of this sports, it is because you have physical strength as well as emotional strength. So sports does such things that it develops a person physically, emotionally, and mentally. So that's why from statistics, there are studies who shows that students or young people, even elderly people who goes out and do some activity, especially sports for you kids, it has shown that those people who are more active, who take part in sports, they have more memory retention. They could remember much more than the others. And they develop such physical resistance to diseases. You will get sick so often if you are a sports person. You develop resistance to any emotional depression, which nowadays we said that so many children develop depression. But if you are very active, you will not develop depression. Little bit if we say about what can it give you sports, besides all those that I said, that you develop you develop strength, overall strength. Your master of ceremony, your MC said that march past is all about discipline. So also the drill that I have witnessed today is all can be successful. So it's very good for you, whether in a big way or in a small way, you take up sports activities in any form because you will develop discipline. What discipline does for you? It straightens up your life. You could do well in studies, you will be the most behaved person at home, you will be the most behaved person in a society, in school, in anywhere that you go. People will say, yeah, this girl or this boy is different from the others because of the discipline that you have acquired because you are a sports person. You have to be peacemaker, first of all, with yourself. Make peace with yourself. regret anything. If you do well, you will never regret anything. Make peace with yourself. Don't get angry with yourself that my hair is too short, my hair is too thin. I don't look beautiful. Another girl, another boy is more handsome, is more beautiful than me. No, that's not what God said. Make peace with yourself. Otherwise, it will be just like this, that for too long I have stayed with people who hate peace. Make peace with your at home. Don't be a troublemaker at home. Try to be a peacemaker at home. Try to be a peacemaker, not a troublemaker, in the community, in the school, in the church, wherever you are. Try to be a peacemaker. Before I close my talk, may I request the Principal, Father Hieronymus Linkoy, to come further a little bit here. As a precision of love for all of you, I want to give Father the small envelope because I love you all. So Father, thank you so much once again. I hope after the end of all this function, we can dance with permission from the Principal. Somebody has said yes. Thank you so much. the honor of lowering the flag, I once again wish St. Syiemlieh Higher Secondary School all success in the near future and all the best for the students who appeared in the matriculation exam.
Please stand up in attention.
Syiemlieh.